Everyone has some good habits as well as bad habits. We want to conquer our good habits over the bad ones, but we really don't know how we can do it. If you really want to develop good habits, then you must read the book The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. In my opinion, the best thing in this book is that the loop of habit is maintained by us. Whether knowingly or unknowingly, that habit is good or bad, we make a loop of habits. Now we will discuss about the lessons that I had learnt from this book. The first lesson that I had learnt is that the loop of habit. According to author, habits are the choices that all of us deliberately make at some point and then stop thinking about continue doing often every day. The second lesson is that the golden rule of habit change. The author discussed the case of Ray, the owner of C on the range. He has its successful business, but he has picked up drinking habit where he consumes double whiskey or even a cold beer in the end of the day. This habit affects not only his patients but also his profits. It's clear that Roy needs to change his habits to turn his business around. This leads to what the other considers the golden rule of habit change. Just a small change in the habit loop can have a good life and good changing impact in our life. The third lesson that I had learned is that the adopting keystone habits. Keystone habits are the habits that are more important than others. Keystone habits suggested that we don't have to change every single thing. Instead, we can focus on one or two priorities that led to success. These few priorities begin to act as small wins, which then spill over to other areas and create more small wins. Focusing on just one habit like keeping a food journal can become a small win that acts as a domino effect for other small wins to take out. These small wins can lead to big positive lifestyle changes. Move on the next lesson, the significance of willpower. Willpower is not something that we are born with. Rather, willpower is an ability. With time and practice, we can train and harden our will. Practice makes us perfect, and we can strengthen our willpower over time. As we strengthen our willpower, we become more successful at adopting habits that lead to a successful, positive lifestyle. The last lesson that I had learned is that habits become your responsibility. Once we recognize the need to change our habits, it becomes our responsibility to take the necessary steps to do so. It's only up to us to change our habits. If we can adopt good habits, then they will bring us to the top. Otherwise, they will drop us at the bottom. So, decision is yours. You can adopt good habits as well as some bad habits. So, decision is yours to make you a perfect and successful person in the field of life. That's all in this video. Hope you will like the video.